Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the basic concepts of cloud computing. Everything nowadays is moved to the cloud, running in the cloud, accessed from the cloud or maybe stored in the cloud. So what is exactly this cloud? Cloud computing, often referred to as the cloud, is a service that allows people to use online services that are generally available through any device with an internet connection. This means that the user does not need to be at a certain location in order to access certain data. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power without direct active management by the user. And this is the definition of cloud computing, what I explained just now. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the internet. And the growth of this concept is like growing like digital marketing and has many benefits like other popular online business technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, hacking, etc. With the huge growth in internet technology, we are seeing various advanced facilities making our crucial works much easier than earlier time. Cloud computing is one of these technologies. There are a lot of business applications of this advanced technology. It allows us to make the best use of remote servers to do various type of works. You are probably have been using cloud-based applications every day while you use your Gmail, Facebook, Amazon, even your Google Drive option. The number of cloud storage providers online seems to grow every day. Consider some simple examples for better understanding. Google's email service provider Gmail, on the other hand, provides unlimited storage on the cloud. In Facebook, it can store an infinite amount of information, images and videos on your profile. They can then easily accessed on multiple devices. In education, is increasingly adopting the advanced technology like e-learning software, for example SlideRocket. SlideRocket is a platform that students can use to build presentations and submit them. Students can even present them through web conferencing, and all these can connected with the cloud computing concept. Also in healthcare, government sector, e-commerce businesses, everywhere we are using the concept of cloud computing. Cloud computing is an emerging computing technology that uses the internet and central remote servers to maintain data and applications. The name comes from the use of a cloud-shaped symbol as an abstraction for the complex infrastructure it contains in system diagrams. And why we are choosing this cloud computing option, cloud computing platform, why we are choosing? The reason is its performance, its reliability, productivity, its global scale service and its speed, especially its cost. Cost is user friendly, budget friendly. So these are the reasons we are using the cloud computing concept in all the sectors. When you share any information through a web or a mobile app, or download a picture or movie, watch a Netflix show, or play an online video game, or any e-commerce business, it all happens with the concept of cloud computing. And the best part, it saves you a lot of money and time. You don't have to buy any machines or install any kind of software for this. Everything will be handled by the cloud platform which is running these applications. And we have professional cloud service providers is a third party company offering a cloud based platform, infrastructure, application or storage services. And we have three public cloud companies have established themselves like Amazon, Microsoft and Google. And in that, Amazon was the first major cloud provider from 2006, offering of Amazon Simple Storage Service. And other companies are IBM, Oracle, SAP, etc. All are providing professional cloud service platform. These three names are very familiar for you. You can see in your mobile and your laptop also. Is Google Drive a cloud service? Google Drive is your best cloud storage option. Drive has apps for Android for viewing and managing your files from your phone. Children, don't confuse about Google Cloud and Google Drive. Google Cloud Storage is a developer service provided by Google that allows you to save and manipulate data directly on the Google's own infrastructure. Google Drive, on other hand, is used for storing personal files, and it is free up to 15 GB across all your different personal services offered by Google. And we'll discuss some points related to its advantage and disadvantages. Advantages: its lower software cost, improved performance, fewer maintenance issue, instant software update, and increased data safety. And comes in disadvantages: requires a constant internet connection. It's completely depends on the internet connection. Does not work well in low speed connection. You can't expect a good service platform if your connection is very poor. And maybe it will work very slow, and limited features are nowadays available. These are the disadvantages comes in the cloud computing platform. And if we are thinking about the future of cloud computing, the amount of data what we are going to save in the cloud servers, and the cloud computing marketing, demand for public cloud services, everything is going to be high, everything is going to be increased. Then that is the reason I informed you already what would be the opportunities and challenges that will come with it. For now, the best part what we can do is to educate ourselves about this type of platforms. Hope you all understood the basic concept of cloud computing platform, and we can expect faster innovation and flexible resources will be available in this platform. Thank you, children. We'll continue with some other topic.